Hello friends, welcome to KB Tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can validate the web page title in Catalan Studio. So, I have given the steps here. The first step should be opening a browser, and I want to open a Chrome browser in this case. And the second case is like once you open the browser, navigate to the particular web page. So, I'll put that in this case itself. Navigate and get the title here, and now you try to validate the title using asset. This is the third step, and the fourth step is the closing the browser. Okay, so in our case I'll try to use the facebook.com. So I know the title of the facebook.com is this one. Okay, so simply what I can do is I'll try to put this into a variable called title, and I'll try to validate against the web page. Okay, so here I have taken one empty test case here. Then I'll add a step called open browser. Opening a browser, if you go here to the project and settings and execution, if you see here default execution, I am selecting the Chrome browser. Okay, and click on OK. Then what is the web page that you want to load? So what I want to load is https://www.facebook.com. Okay, so I am going into this particular web page. Then um, then what we can do is, let's say like I know the title will be this one, so I'll simply assign the title will be this one, right? This title you will be knowing from your application, guys. So I'll simply assign it to the variable called title. Then what we can do is we can get the title here. Okay, we can get the title of this particular web page. Okay, and we'll try to check with this one. So how we can get that? Using web UI dot get first dot get get window title. Okay, this is my window title. Let me put this into a variable called a title title. Okay, let me try to print on the screen what is the title I am getting here. Then we'll validate the title. Okay, so let me run this and see. Now you can see I have started running my test case here, and it should invoke Chrome browser. Now Chrome browser is invoked. Now it will load our application. In this case my application is Facebook. Now you can see we have loaded the Facebook. Then we should get the title here. Okay, so if you see here, uh, so now you can see get the title. I am printing on the screen. Now you can see this is my title, guys. Sign up. Till here is my title. Okay, this part is a sign up page. Okay, then how can I validate the web page title with my actual title? Okay, using asset we can do that. Okay, use asset dot, simply type something like asset. One second. So we can use something like asset dot now you can see this one, your testng asset equals, and my title is a title titld. Okay, and I am trying to validate against the web page title here. Okay, then once this is done, what we can do is we can close the browser, right? So as you can see these all are here. Then I add a step here, that will be like close browser. Sorry, this is open. This one is a close browser. Yes. Okay. And let me execute this one. So now you can see it started executing. It should invoke the Chrome browser. The execution is here, guys. Then it will load the Facebook web page. Then it will get the title, and I'll try to check against this title, okay, which I got it from my application. Now you can see it is completed executing. Now you can see in the logger it is completed executing and closed my browser as well. Okay, just to see whether it is not executing properly or not, what I'll do is to fail or not, just to I'll put one in the end, so that this asset going to fail. Okay, that I'll try to show now. Now you can see I started executing the script, and it will invoke the browser, and browser will load the application, and it will get the title, and it will try to validate against this particular value, and that is going to fail. That I want to show you here. Okay, still it is loading. Now you can see it got failed, saying like expected values should be different. Now you can see expected is this one and found this one. Okay, so this is how we can check this one, guys. Now you can see till here only it got executed and it is failed here. Okay, so this is how we can validate the web page title using Catalan Studio. Thank you so much for watching.